years recorded were 1997, 1998, 1999, and 2003, 2004, and 2005. The United Nations Panel on Climate Change Program the global temperatures will rise 3 until 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the centuries, and enough to have the polar caps all about melted. And then if the ice caps melt, a vast majority of our country's border will be underwater, and monuments and a great building as well as home, life will be underwater. Can you imagine that? And also for including New York City. So now we know what some of the causes of for global warming. How can we as individuals do our part to help save the planet? And the answer is simpler than you may think. You don't have to go miles away from home to protest or spend masses of money. If you try for the few simple steps that I shall now give you, you will have started to help us all. And then, firstly, the first step is planetary. This could be easier than it sounds like going or help to a local wildlife group and actually plant a tree. Trees, when we ground, will help keep the planet cooler. On the same point, you could protest again the demolition of the rainforest. This is the same principle. We need the trees to cool our planet, and yet they are chopping down to create road and homes. And then this is something as simple as walking instead of taking the car will help reduce pollution as well as stopping pollution. You are giving yourself exercise, something important for our bodies. So the next time you get into your car or your motorbike, think, do I have to make this journey by bicycle or can I walk? And when you are at home and you're getting a little cold, put a jumper on and do not adjust the heating. The extra heat produced by our homes also affect the planet. So try wearing an extra layer in winter. And then, if possible, buy your fruit and vegetables from local suppliers and try to avoid imported goods. The more foreign food that will import, the more pollution for airplanes and goods this will create. Keeping to the spend limit can also help the environment. The more you spend, the more petrol you are going to use, making the pollution higher. Also, in SUVs make about 6 times their own weight in CO7, CO2 is your a small invention diesel car covering the same distance not only use much less food, it's make two-third less. If possible, use solar energy. After all, it's free. All you need to buy is the equipment. You can get much of your hot water and heating from the sun and even generate electricity. And then reduce, reuse, and recycle. Only but what you need. Don't stop the cardboard with things you may or may not use. Reuse whatever you can, like containers and paper, and recycle what you cannot reuse. It really is simple as that. Finally, turning off unit sources of power, such as television and heaters, will help the environment as well as save you your money. And if everybody stuck to this rule, we would be doing a great thing by protecting the earth. So please take it into consideration what I have said and try to do your part. After all, it will be our next generation that will feel the effect. That's all